Just watch these crazy VFX for yourself. Google has dropped a new feature called Omni Flash, and it can generate crazy accurate VFX videos, and people are calling it the nano banana version of video, which means you can insert a video that you took and Omni Flash will change the video according to the prompts that you write, generating crazy realistic VFX videos. So today I am going to test out what Omni Flash can do so you don't have to waste your credits and show you the whole workflow, which is actually pretty simple. Let's just watch the results first and let's jump into the workflow.
Okay, so let's change this background. Okay, so as you can see, this is real human me, and I'm gonna summon a friend. Boom. Okay.
Watch where you point.
Alright.
You are so goofy. Ta-da!
Now let me change myself into a new character. Boom. Thumbs up. Yeah, motions are not bad. Here we go. Okay. Now let's fill up this plastic cup with something else. Now let me place a little slime on my hand. Okay, so yeah, he's pretty cool. Let's turn her into something else. Boom. Say hi. Good boy.
Hello. So the materials that we need is the reference video. Try to make it lower than 10 seconds and the first frame screenshot of the video. And I've tested out multiple times, and what I realized was that to get the best results, try to use that screenshot first frame and then turn that into the VFX effect that you want to change the video into. So now we're going to go to OpenArt. The link is in the description. Go there, press image. We're going to use ChatGPT image 2. And then we're going to put this screenshot image and type in a prompt. Then we're going to get this image. Now what we want to do is there are two ways. First one, we're going to still use the OpenArt. And in the main page, you can see the VFX Studio right away. Just click that button. And there's going to be a couple of choices that you can choose from. First, let's replace the background. Now let's drop in the video first. You can use the template backgrounds, but of course they are not the ones that we want to use. So we are going to upload the VFX changed image and we're going to write a simple prompt. Like I said, there are two ways, right? Here in OpenArt and as well as in Google Flow, all you need to do is actually put in a real simple prompt. It's super simple. Then let's generate. We get nice cool video with the studio totally changed. And now let's try the VFX mode. So same, let's upload the video that we took. It is best if it's under 10 seconds, upload it. And so we're going to press this button right here, areas to keep. And all the features are really simple and easy to use. OpenArt has made the UI really simple, easy and clear. So we want to choose this one right here, which will only leave our dog image and erase all the backgrounds for us. Voila, we got a nice image here, and then we're going to upload the new VFX image that we have created before. Upload it. Also write a simple prompt. This was literally the prompt that I have used, which was super simple, one sentence. But you are going to get a couple of failed videos. That is actually inevitable in this AI video generating content creator's life. As you can see, we have failed one video. The AI has created combination of this dragon and my dog, but then you run a couple of times. If you want to be safe, add more details to the prompts, and then this is the video that I got. Hello. Hello. And the second method is using the ChatGPT as the image model and using the Google Labs Flow to create the videos. So as you can see, I have created other videos from Flow as well to test out the difference. They are pretty much the same. And of course, as you can see, these AIs do make mistakes even though the prompts are the same, right? So you can give it a tweak, keep making modifications to your prompts so you get a better result. generating video from Flow is actually also very simple. You just drag in the image and the video, then type in the prompt. That's literally it. Okay, now you can create so much more professional, high quality videos of yourself without ever having to learn After Effects or 3D modeling. All right, so thanks for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching David's AI Mastery.